students, welcome to ABHILAW, where law is simplified. This is your Professor Dr. Ambarish R. Patnigere, and today we are going to talk about once again POCSO, chapter number 6, procedure for recording statements of the child, which starts from section 24 to 27. Let's begin section 24. 24 section talks about recording of a statement of a child. In chapter 5, we discussed about how the complaint has to be registered. Now, once the complaint has been registered by the victim or by anyone who knows that an offense has been committed or there is a likely to be committed an offense by the accused, then the person who has the information can give a statement to the juvenile police and record an offense against the child, against the accused. Now let's understand, once the offense has been registered by the informant, how the statement and what are the procedure given by the POCSO to record the statement of a child. Section 24, subsection 1. The statement of the child shall be recorded at the residence of the child or at the place where he usually resides or at the place of his choice, and as far practicable by a woman police officer, not below the rank of sub-inspector. Please remember, the child cannot be called to the police station. The woman police officer, not below the rank of sub-inspector, has to go to the residence of the child to record the statement of the child or whichever place the child is comfortable. Subsection 2 says, the police officer while recording the statement of the child shall not be in uniform. The third one, subsection 3, police officer making the investigation shall, while examining the child, ensure that at no point of time the child comes in direct contact with the accused. Let's go to subsection 4. No child shall be detained in the police station in the night for any reason. Subsection 5. The police officer shall ensure that the identity of the child is protected from the public media unless otherwise directed by the special court in the interest of the child. So, section 25 now talks about recording of the statement of the child by magistrate. Let's remember, section 24 spoke about recording the statement of the child by the police officer. Now, if a magistrate is going to record, you should remember, as per CRPC section 164 talks about recording a statement by the magistrate, and BNSS it is section 183. Now, the magistrate recording such statement shall, notwithstanding anything contained therein, record the statement as spoken by the child, provided that the provision contained in the first proviso of subsection 1 of section 164 of the code or subsection 1 of section 183 of BNSS shall, so far it permits the presence of an advocate of the accused, shall not apply in this case. That means advocate of the accused shall not remain present. This is what it says when the magistrate is recording the statement under section 164 of CRPC or section 183 of BNSS. Subsection 2. The magistrate shall provide to the child and his parent or his representative a copy of the document specified under section 207 of the CRPC upon the final report being filed by the police under section 173 of the code. That means the copy which has to be given by the court, this copy which the child has given the statement needs to be provided to the parent or his representative. Subsection. Now we will go to section number 26. Additional provision regarding statement to be recorded. The magistrate or the police officer, as the case may be, shall record the statement as spoken by the child in the presence of the parent of the child or any other person in whom the child has trust or confidence. Subsection 2. Whoever, wherever necessary, the magistrate or the police officer, as the case may be, take the assistance of the translator or an interpreter having such qualification, experience, and on payment of such fees as may be prescribed while recording the statement of the child. Subsection 3. The magistrate or the police officer, as the case may be, in the case of a child having mental or physical disability, seek the assistance of a special educator or any person familiar with the manner of communication of the child or an expert in that field, having such qualification, experience, and on payment of such fees as may be prescribed to record the statement of the child. Now, subsection 4. Wherever possible, the magistrate or the police officer, as the case may be, shall ensure that the statement of the child is also recorded by audio, video, electronic means. Now, last section we will go, that is section 27, medical examination of the child. The medical examination of the child in respect of whom a new offence has been committed under this act shall, notwithstanding that the FIR or complaint has not been registered for the offences under this act, be conducted in accordance with 164A of the Code of the CRPC or 184 as per Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. In case of the victim is a girl child, the medical examination shall be conducted by a woman doctor. Subsection 3. Medical examination shall be conducted in the presence of the parent of the child or any other person in whom the child disposes trust or confidence. The last subsection 4. Where in case the parent of the child or the other person referred to in subsection 3 cannot be present for any reason during the medical examination of the child, the medical examination shall be conducted in the presence of a woman nominated by the head of the medical institution. With this, we have completed the chapter number 6. So, if you have liked our video, I request you to give a like, subscribe our channel, share with your friends such that they will also come to know about POCSO. Thank you so much.